Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine. The question is x plus 1 over x is equal to 7, then x square plus 1 over x square find. The solution is x plus 1 over x is equal to 7 given. So this is square, so taking square on both sides, both sides x plus 1 over x is equal to 7 square square. So we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we apply the formula on this. A is equal to x and b is equal to 1 over x. So put a x square plus b square 1 over x square plus 2 into a x into b, यानी कि 1 over x is equal to 7 square 49. So x cancel, x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 is equal to 49. Now we find x square plus 1 over x, then 2 x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 into minus 2. So x square plus 1 x square is equal to 47. So this is the answer.